na po yung convening of the impeachment court. Ngayon sana po, nung i-defer si June to appearance, sana pati po yung convening as an impeachment court, nasabi na rin when that is para may idea.
The representation has no intentions of actually convening the court, if at all, on another date other than the 11th, unless the Senate as an impeachment court provides otherwise.
We could be talking about the Senate as the impeachment court. Because
We
it's the
have,
Senate.
by virtue of the procedure in Articles 1 to 3, we have not yet convened the court, Your Honor. For example, succeeding rules in our impeachment rules, 4 onwards, would pertain to the Senate already as an impeachment court because that is already the trial proper beginning with the issuance of summons.
Mr. President, the second sentence already contradicts His Honor because it says, second sentence of that second paragraph of Rule 3, unless the Senate provides otherwise, it shall continue in session from day to day. Session na yan as court. Kasi until final judgment eh. Yun na yun eh. So, the use of, when we use Senate in the Senate impeachment rules, we refer to the Senate as the court.
Mr. President, according to the Secretariat, Your Honor, the dividing line is when we take our oath as senator judges and convene as such, because we will be wearing 2 hats, Your Honor. As senators, performing our legislative and legislative function, and as members of the impeachment court, performing our sui generis function. And these are 2 distinct, if at all, hats and functions that we would be performing. That's why we have to adjourn session and convene as an impeachment court, and vice versa if we want to revert back as a plenary.
Well, Mr. President, ano na lang for so as to our staff can revisit. So ito yung sentence natin, ano? Second paragraph of Rule 3 of the Senate impeachment rules. Upon presentation of the articles to the Senate shall specify the date and time for the consideration of such articles. Unless the Senate provides otherwise, it shall continue in session from day to day until final judgment shall be rendered, and so much longer as may in its judgment be necessary. So, are we using the word Senate in one paragraph in 2 concepts? One as Senate legislative body and the other as the court?
I believe so, Mr. President, Your Honor. But again, since these manifestations, also the manifestation made by our distinguished majority floor leader himself, after these manifestations are made, these matters and these statements will be referred to the Committee on Rules for them to look into it. We have time, Mr. President, Your Honor, to resolve this matter in due course in the next couple of days.
Mr. President,
yes.
if I can direct this question to the good minority leader, the Senate, even if not acting as an impeachment court, pwede po bang tumanggap ng mga non-members of this chamber to speak or make a presentation, a presentment? Di po ba naaalala natin ng mga nakaraang panahon, pumupunta rito yung President of Vietnam, if I'm not mistaken, distinguished guests of this chamber are allowed to speak, not just honored. Ganun po ba yung sinasabi nyo? Na baka are the members of the House, though constituted as panel of prosecutors, can they enter the Senate, this chamber, constituted as a plenary or as an impeachment court or both, pag pinapayagan ng Senado? Baka ganun po siguro ang gustong malaman ng ating minority leader.
Just for the information of the majority leader, yung appearance of the House prosecutors before the Senate, kanina sanang 4 o'clock, June 2, appeared in the impeachment calendar prepared by the Senate President. Hindi ako may idea nun. At saka, when we read our Senate impeachment rules, wala din dun yun.
So they will be appearing before an impeachment court.
That's why this is the request for information. Now, what did the Senate President have in mind when he scheduled this for June 2? And I think it's clearly, since 4 p.m. siya, it's clearly an appearance before Senate.
Yes.
the plenary session of the Senate.
Again, the basis is U.S. practice. That is how they do it in the United States, where we lifted portions of our own impeachment rules. That's where it came from. Practice and precedents in the United States.
And per our legislative rules, we can waive the so that we allow
the rules to allow it.
Diba dito, recently, nagsalita rin si former UN Secretary General.
South Korean. The South Korean.
Yes, the UN Secretary General. So
that can be allowed.
So we can do it. Yes, yes.
Again, that be allowed. Again, plenary action is necessary, and the plenary will decide on this matter.
So just a more request for information, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, His Honor, around 4 days ago, sent notice that the June 2, 4 p.m. appearance of the House panel of prosecutors will be moved to June 11, 4 p.m.
Yes.
So, okay. Now, what is now the calendar that His Honor has in mind? Kasi dati meron kang June 2, 4 p.m. appearance, then June 3, morning, we convene the Senate as an impeachment court. So, where is that? What is convening now? Where is it now when you move the appearance to June 11?
Sabay na po, because by that time, by June 11, wala na rin po tayong hinahabol na kailangan i-second or i-approve kung meron man ratification na lamang ng mga bicameral conference committee reports, and we will be doing both at the same time. If at all, the reading of the articles of impeachment, the referral to the Committee on Rules, the convening of the impeachment court, if at all again, the oath of the senator judges, if at all again, all that we can do as an impeachment court would be to issue summons.
Yes, yes.
Requiring the respondent to answer within 10 days.
But were we sent notices na gano'n ang mangyayari?
I'm sorry?
Were the senators sent notices or informed that after the appearance of the House panel of prosecutors, there's a possibility that we will convene as a court? Para kami.
Wala pa.
Malapit na po yung June 11.
Wala pa naman talaga kasi nung pinadala yung notice na it was addressed, if you notice, it was addressed to the House that they will be presenting the articles of impeachment on that date. The notice insofar as the impeachment court itself is concerned, these discussions would be very helpful, Your Honor, because this will be part of how the Senate as a body will be deciding on what to do after the articles of impeachment shall have been read and presented before the body.
Yes, but Mr. President, nung in-issue kasi ninyo yung impeachment calendar last February, at least you were that detailed na sina po yung convening of the impeachment court. Ngayon sana po, nung i-defer si June to appearance, sana pati po yung convening as an impeachment court, nasabi na rin when that is para may idea.
Well, thank you for the opportunity to clarify. Since that is our last day, this representation has no intentions of actually convening the court, if at all, on another date other than the 11th, unless the Senate as an impeachment court provides otherwise. So we will be convening on that date, barring any unforeseen circumstances, barring any procedural motions that will be made,